So how do you turn the camera on your iPhone to the night mode? Let's explain that. So if you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you do not miss tutorials and videos like this one, right? So the night mode is like the feature of iPhone camera to get like more light in it in a low light condition, right? So that's basically how it works. But you need to know that it doesn't get like a toggle in the camera to like turn it on manually, right? So you at first have to be in a dark environment measured by the iPhone camera, of course, by the sensors to even get that feature, right? So if you are in the like dark environment, when you like literally just cover the camera like that, you will have the ability to find the night mode toggle and even click on it to change the amount of seconds, right? So the maximum is the 10 seconds interval during which it will capture the light, right, and create one photo. Right. So you can find it in here, but the point is that your phone has to be in the dark environment for the toggle to even appear, right? Because otherwise it doesn't even make sense to have it there or to use it. So that's how you can find it. Again, it's put in here, and the point is that the photo will get captured during the whole period of time. So one photo gets captured for 10 seconds. So you need to keep your phone steady and everything to just get the most amount of light in and end up with a perfect shot. So that's how it works. That's how you can turn on the night mode in the camera. Let me know what you think about that below. Most definitely subscribe so you never miss these quick tutorials and videos similar to this one, and I'll see you later.